Welcome to Techie Dialog. In this video, we'll show you how to fix unexpected store exception in Windows 11 using a few simple but effective methods. First, let's disable fast startup, which can sometimes cause boot issues. Click on the search bar and type Edit Power Plan, then select it from the list. Now, click on Power Options in the panel. Next, choose the option that says Choose what the power buttons do. Click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable to unlock the options. Uncheck the box next to Turn on Fast Startup to disable it. Finally, click on Save Changes to apply the settings. Now let's run a command using Windows PowerShell to fix possible internal system issues. Type Windows PowerShell in the search bar, then right-click and select Run as Administrator. If a prompt appears, click Yes to continue. Copy the command provided in the video description and paste it into PowerShell. Press Enter to execute the command and wait for it to complete. Next, we'll check for corrupted system files using the System File Checker. Type CMD in the search bar, right-click on it, and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes if asked for permission. Now, type sfc/scanout and press Enter to begin the scan. This process may take some time. Lastly, we'll perform a disk check to detect and repair any drive errors. Again, type CMD in the search bar, right-click on it, and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted. Type chdsk-cf/r and press Enter to schedule the disk scan. If you're asked to schedule it for the next restart, type Y and hit Enter. Now restart your computer, and the system will scan and fix any disk errors during boot. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialog for more helpful videos.